Good morning, guys. We are gonna be wrapping the Ford Ranger. You guys don't even know what color it's going yet. As you guys saw in the previous video, we did a little bit with the roof and all the mess that was there. But now we're gonna do the rest of the body. We're gonna try and get as much done as we possibly can. It's the day after Christmas at the time I'm filming this right now. So we're overloaded with sugar and all that good stuff. So we're gonna try to do the best we can. So we already went ahead and we had to prep this thing. We had to erase some of the plastic like emblem stuff on there. We had to remove like the Ranger emblems on the side of the fender. After that we had to remove mirrors and plastic trim. That way, you know, we can just install the vinyl quicker, faster, because it's gonna be a flat surface. I'm not gonna have to work around stuff. And now that we have it all prepped, we can actually start, you know, hammering down on each piece by piece. And we'll do like fenders, doors separately, bed separately, and, you know, hood. And then I guess I'm gonna put it on a time lapse so I don't waste your guys' time, because that's very important. Time is very important. You only have a limited amount. So with enough of me babbling, let's just jump right into this thing. You know, maybe we'll get a little bit of satisfactory aura going on, and we'll get it done. So appreciate you guys. Watch this. And voila, there's the truck all done. Let me show it to you guys. So it was a bit of work, that is for sure, but it ended up amazing, quite spectacular. What do you guys think? I love the color personally. It pops really well. The angles look amazing. I didn't end up doing the tailgate because we're gonna end up picking up another one tomorrow. This one's actually bowed out and bent. As you guys can see here, it's pretty rough. So we're gonna get a new one before we wrap it and waste the material, because same reason why we didn't wrap the roof is we are very short on material. So we're gonna have to order some more for the roof before we can get that done. But besides that, everything else came out really nice and clean, and it covered up a lot of the damage that was previously on it. So yeah, there it is right there. What do you guys think? I would say it turned out pretty good. Right on. Let me know if you guys would wrap your truck anything, any color. It's a fun experience overall. Even if you want to learn it, it's worth doing. So it covers up all those discrepancy in the paint, and it just looks cool. So yeah, thanks for joining me on this video. Appreciate you guys a lot. I'll see you in another one. Peace. Whoop.